welcome to our CAN TV show, Chicagoland
Extravaganza.
Toys for Tots Motorcycle Parade.
Right.
So hold up that poster. It's our 40th year.
40 years.
That's right.
Helping the children of Chicagoland.
My name is Lester Fortier. I'm the president. Next to me is my co-host, Gary Diamond. He had eye surgery yesterday, so he should be able to take the glasses off eventually, huh?
Eventually.
So what's going on, my friend?
We
What'd you do yesterday?
We had an exciting weekend. We were out on Western Avenue. We started, I think I started south on 95th Street, and we started Addison, and we tagged all the poles all the way in till we met, and then we went to, can I say the name of the bar?
It's an establishment.
Establishment. The watering hole was gracious enough to put us up there, and Jimmy's Hot Dogs was gracious enough to feed us, and we had plenty of food and a good time over there, and we want to thank everybody for helping out yesterday. All of our volunteers, we had over 60 volunteers helping us volunteer to put the tags up yesterday. This, by the way, is a tag. If you see these on Western Avenue, you know the parade's coming. You see the bear telling you, I'm coming. Going to be a little over a week from Sunday, and I'm going to be there.
That's right. A week from this Sunday will be our parade, December 3rd, okay? And if you please, for the people that collect these posters, you're more than welcome to them, but at least wait till after the parade.
You're right.
Okay, because one of the things we have to do as an organization is to let everyone in Chicago know we're coming, and this is one of the ways we do it. And of course, you had the businesses that were open, you walked in, shook their hand, and give them a...
All the businesses that were open, we walked in and gave them a letter and let them know exactly what we were doing and when we were doing it, and we didn't have any problems with anybody. As far as, you know,
no issues.
My section, I don't know about anybody else's. I didn't hear about any bad news or anything, so
Yeah, very good.
as far as I know, it was a complete success. And we had a great turnout, though. The weather, it was a little cold, but we still had a lot of volunteers show up. It was excellent. And then, you know, everybody went home, and, you know, we're all geared up and ready for the parade, man. I wish it was this week. Yeah, I can't wait.
If you have any weathermen out there, give us a call. Let us know what the weather's going to be.
If anybody,
But again, this is the Chicagoland Toys for Tots Motorcycle Parade show. And we'd like to thank CAN TV, Channel 21.
The best. They're the
Or
best.
cantv.org/hotline. There's our phone number up there. 312-738-1060.
All right.
Don't be afraid of calling up. We can't see you when you talk.
Anybody who's got any questions or wants to volunteer or has any information they want to add, give us a call. The number's right on the bottom of your screen there.
That's right. We have our Facebook page, and which is ran by our bylaw historian, Jack Voss. And we also have our website, which is at www.chicagolandtft.org. Get on there. You'll be able to see everything that's going on. Any questions? That's what we're here for. Ask us a question.
Yeah.
Now, I like to concentrate a little bit. We'll talk about it. Well, actually, we'll have one more show before the run. Is that
Before
correct?
the parade, right.
Dress for it, guys, ladies. Okay?
Pay
You can
attention,
always
yeah.
take your clothes off. If it gets
Yeah.
warm out, it's kind of hard to put them back on if you ain't got them.
Taking them off is easy.
Nothing worse than seeing a bunch of people shivering, waiting to go to the bathroom. What do you think, Gary?
I think 4 years ago it was 68 degrees. I saw guys with no shirts on in the parade.
Yeah.
That was the weirdest thing, you know. But
And
yeah,
there have been days when it was like, I remember getting to the woods and it was like 12 degrees outside.
I've
okay?
been there too. It's like, it's no fun. But the bikers still show up. They don't care how cold it is.
One year it was warm in the morning and then snowed a little bit and it got hot and then it got cold and it was
Right.
like stalactites on all the motorcycles.
I remember
hanging
when-
off the pipes.
I remember it was nice for the parade. We had the last bikes pulling out of the end of the parade, and it started snowing.
That was last year.
Was that last year or the year
Yeah,
before?
that was always last year.
And then one year we left the parade. We stopped at a couple places and, you know, hanging out with some people and talking to them. And then when we came out, the bikes were covered with snow. There was like 4 inches of snow.
Yeah,
on
I
the
can
bike.
remember one year in the 90s where the snow actually drifted up to my gas tank. We had to literally dig our bikes out
Right.
to go home.
That was pretty wild.
Bikes always tougher than I am, I
So
tell you that.
what about like on December 3rd, Sunday morning, if you see a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Where do you think they're going?
We're going, that's right. That's my line.
Where do you think they're going? Man?
They're going to our parade, man, over there on 83rd and Western.
They're
When
going
we met with the Forest Preserve, we're all set with that. We got our permit for that. We got to walk through the thing and all that kind of stuff. Thank you, Courtney, if you're watching. Appreciate it.
We're almost finished jumping through all the hoops and dotting all the I's and crossing the T's. And
We have a city meeting coming up on Wednesday. We'll be meeting with all the department heads, the fire department, streets and sanitation, police.
it's this Wednesday or
This Wednesday, yeah, you're more than welcome.
before Thanksgiving?
And they basically, we sit there and they ask us a bunch of questions, and if we answer them satisfactorily, that just sounds funny. I said it wrong, did I?
Close enough.
I'm kind of tired. Anyway,
Well, try to get her. Just leave it the way
now
it
leave
is.
it there. All your English majors, give me a call. But, and then we have to provide them proof of insurance and all of our permits, and then they will issue us the permit to actually have our parade. Now, waiting in the wings will be our esteemed producer and / phone man, John Volunteer Reagan.
AWOL John,
He's always there. He's always there when you need him. There's no question about it.
except last week.
Well, let's be nice. I'm glad he showed up today. Thank you.
I was happy to see him because I don't like running the board.
I was worried about both of you tonight.
We
Well, that's good.
We should have
Big
stiffed
stars
it.
walk in 1 minute before airtime, don't even gotta sit down for makeup
Hey.
or nothing.
It was on we were on the
Is
bus.
it that obvious? I'm sorry.
It was the crowd in the parking lot. That was hard to get in.
That's right. They had the back door locked today. It was terrible.
Yeah, you know.
But anyway, it's a live interactive show, and it ain't so interactive if nobody calls us up. Is that right?
That's right.
Yeah. Anyway, questions, ask us.
Is there any? Did Jack post any pictures from tagging on there? Do you
I
know?
have no idea.
You know?
Probably not.
Probably not.
We're
Not yet.
going to have our Northside coordinator here, but she couldn't make it.
I did see a couple of members post photos, so that was very nice.
I was talking to Gio yesterday. She said she wanted to make it to the show, but she had to set the table for
17 people.
for our 17 people for Thanksgiving. And I said, well, Thanksgiving's 4 days away.
Well, I guess she must have had a better offer because she said, that's fine. That's no big deal.
So I told her,
And you're right, Gary Diamond. You are right. There are 13 days until our parade. 13 days, ladies and gentlemen.
13
okay?
days.
You will see Gary and I, though
Up
that's
front.
the 3rd, so you're going to see us the 4th. And hopefully we're not going to be like frostbite or anything.
We're going to be smiling.
We're going to be smiling, that's right.
And,
Well, that's going to be a pretty full load. Do the parade, then I got to do my thing, and then I can come here at night. Holy cow. Ooh, I'm getting cold just thinking about it.
well, we're doing a show on Monday.
We will do a show on Monday.
Yeah, right. After the parade, right? The wrap-up show, is that the last one?
No, we have a couple more after that, right before Christmas. We'll ask Sylvia, and thank you again, Sylvia, for being such a gracious host of this wonderful television station.
We couldn't do it without her.
That's
Hey,
right.
we got to call her. Good.
Hello.
Go ahead, caller.
Yeah, hi. You guys got a parade one day?
Yeah,
On the 3rd of December.
yeah, it's the 40th year.
In about 13 days?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
Oh, I know where he is.
Oh, John. Hey, thanks, John.
Hey,
Makes
you're
us
the
feel
best.
important.
Which way are we going, north or south?
We're going to turn the parade around this year. We're going to go south because we're wearing out the
Don't tell
street
too
on the
many
north
people
side.
that- They'll be there with you.
How many years have we been doing this parade, Lester?
40 years.
40 years, huh?
Do you remember the year when they had that viaduct over on the north side? Somebody decided to go under it instead of over it when it was there, and the entire parade followed them?
They
I don't know
followed
if
them
you
under?
remember-
I don't remember that.
Yeah, I
but,
remember that.
That's possible. I know that's possible.
Yes, it is. And do not, for the people that are going to participate in this parade, everybody's going to be briefed. That's why we have these meetings. Once our parade starts, it is not going to stop unless there's a good reason for it. Okay, we have alternate plans to go around things if we have to. Because once the parade gets going, you could stop relatively quickly, but it might take 45 minutes to get going again.
Right. It's
Okay, we had one issue where a former president decided to stop because he didn't feel he was being disrespected, and that totally messed up the entire parade.
That'll hold up the whole parade for half an hour.
So that is not going to happen. People talk about cutting in. Okay, diffuse situations, don't escalate them. A lot of people sit on Western Avenue instead of waiting to come out.
Instead of going to proper,
protected.
you wait at the beginning of the parade for the people to go by, then you join in behind them. Don't try to cut into the parade.
But if
It's
they do
dangerous,
cut
you know?
in, don't get in their face and try and, don't be confrontational because
No drive-bys in the parade.
9 times out of 10 they're going to jump right back out anyway.
Yeah, right. They're not going to finish the parade anyway. They just want to
Okay.
take a picture with their friends or something.
We will have drop-off points throughout the parade and in the beginning of the parade and at the end. If you want to bring a toy out to help this organization, there will be places to accept them.
At the end, there'll
Okay.
be a truck where you can drive up with your car too.
Yeah,
Right?
we'll have trucks at the south
Yeah.
side also.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's great. So whether you're on a bike or not, you can still drop off a toy. Just you cannot participate in the parade or be in the parade.
You going to come out this year? Going to start south and we'll go north?
Yeah.
Good.
Of course. This is the first year I got to do it for the last few years. So
That's right. Come on out. You actually ride that pretty
I'm
bike?
going to actually take it off the trailer this time and ride
Really?
it. Yeah.
I mean, that's a real bike, not just a picture in
It's
your
just
wallet?
not a picture
Yeah, no
anymore.
kidding.
Not
That's
anymore.
good.
Yeah, Lester was jamming me about it the other day. My bike spends more time on a trailer.
My bike's never been in a trailer. Of course, it looks the part.
No, actually, what happened was 2 years ago in November, I got hit by a drunk driver in Berwyn, and it took me a while to put it back together, but it's
It's a beautiful bike.
ready to go now.
Beautiful bike. Took your time, did it right. Actually, better now than it was before.
It's a lot better now.
So
than
you
it
should
was
thank
before.
that guy.
That girl.
Or the girl, whatever it was.
Have a
Thank-
drink with her?
Thank the bartender.
Go out and
yeah.
have a drink with her?
Yeah, right. You just have no luck, Gary Diamond.
No.
But
Whatever.
anyway, again, our parade, when you running it, you hopefully will get going, go about 5-7 miles an hour. It's paced by the Chicago Police Department at the front there. And it will be set up into at least 5 tiers. That's so many, it's about 5,000 bikes at a time. If we have to have more, we'll have more. If we have to expand the tier, we shall. Maybe we can get our parade coordinator on here next month. No, we can't. We have one more
We got one more
meeting.
before the parade. Next week, we could get, maybe we can get Jamie out here.
I was expecting a bunch of people here today. Because we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We got the chairs ready.
Yeah, we got everybody here.
We got a whole empty studio
I
here
guess they're
waiting for the
camera
parade.
shy, huh?
Yeah.
Isn't that a beautiful logo behind us?
It's excellent. It's excellent, man.
State of
I
the art.
think that's the best logo I've seen for
This is true.
any corporation or any product. It's very, very colorful.
Any
very
corporation-
good.
You know how you can tell it's a great logo because people actually copy it. They have a parade down in Florida that looks just like that.
No kidding. No.
Yeah.
We should go down there one day.
What am I gonna do? Somebody told me about it, then he showed me a picture of it, and I said, "Yeah, it does look like. What am I supposed to do?"
That's what it- hey, that's our
Yeah,
parade.
right.
Just join
As
that.
long as it all ends up being the same result, because other counties have the same thing and all that. We all share the same goals, and I don't see that being a problem. But anyway, let me put on the web here because we haven't done that in a while.
Also, if you plan on participating in the parade, you have to have a properly legally licensed vehicle. No four-wheelers or ATVs, no quads. They have to be street legal. You cannot have obscured license plate. That means, a lot of runs people put tape over their plates to avoid getting tickets and stuff. But on this parade, the city of Chicago doesn't want any license plates covered up. They're gonna not
Right.
count any tickets
Very
that are
important.
that are anybody who blows one of the cameras. Not to worry about it. They're not going to issue any tickets for the time, however long it takes for the parade. They're not going to issue tickets.
Right. Actually going north, and that's one of the, you've been at those meetings, we're gonna
Right.
ask them nicely to, since the city of Chicago doesn't own those traffic cameras anymore, they have to request that tickets not be issued from I guess it'd be from 8 o'clock to about 1
Right.
o'clock on
Something
Sunday.
like
Going
that.
north.
Going north.
Going south, you're on your own.
Yeah, going south, you can go as fast as you want because you will get a ticket.
And we were requested by the city of Chicago because we are in fact guests of the city,
That's right.
correct?
And the
In
city-
case there's an issue where, they need to identify one of our members, they insist that, number one, like you said, all our bikes that are in the parade, not to have their license plate camouflaged in any way, and they should all be properly insured vehicles.
They should be insured. You have registration, insurance,
Mm-hmm.
current license plates. I'm not saying that they're going to check everybody, but they will be out there
They'll
checking
be,
bikes.
they'll be
You know,
randomly
you
checking.
may be
people.
one of the people that get caught.
Mhm.
And, instead of coming to the parade to have fun, you're going to wind up with tickets and you're not going to have so much fun that day.
And
Unfortunately,
that's right.
you gotta be legal in Chicago.
And every member that's gonna be working the parade, for a member of the organization, will be wearing their own personal vest, and it will be tagged with their Toys for Tots number on it in the event they need to be identified, okay?
Right.
That's a request that the city made, and we definitely had to comply with it, and that's what we're going to do. So members out there that are watching this show, you show up with your vest on December 3rd, and if you ain't got your Toys for Tots number on it, Gary or I will be more than happy to put it on with a Sharpie, okay?
And we
No,
don't
I
write
ain't got
that
the
pretty.
best handwriting in
Yeah.
the world, but it definitely, people know what your number
Your
is.
number will be on there though.
So if you want to do it right, okay? Bedazzle your vest, do whatever you'd like to your vest, but make sure you have a number that can be visible on it, okay?
Change it to the overhead for a minute.
All right, there we go. Oh, there we go. Are we gonna go?
Yeah, John.
Wow. Is that one of our vests?
That is one of our vests.
Let me put on us. You are in luck, people who are watching. I have next to me John Reagan.
Woohoo! Sporting the latest in Toys
That's
for
right.
Tots outdoor
That's right.
ensemble.
I had no idea anything can make you look better looking, but obviously that vest does. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Properly
good.
oranged and yellow.
Looking good.
Show them your number.
Good old number
1932.
1932.
Very good.
Woo!
Oh, look at the pretty pockets.
Yeah, look at that. Little, some
Pen
pencil
pockets.
pockets and everything in there, yeah. Very nice. Very reflective. Took a little picture, posted it a minute or two ago. Remember,
So now when
reflective
you
shape works just right.
when and if you become a member of this, oh wow, we got a caller. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Hello.
How are you? What's your name?
I'm good. My name is Gio.
Oh, Geo. As in Geo Metro. Yeah.
Geo Chevrolet.
How you doing, Geo?
I'm doing well.
Good. Wonderful. Kind of miss you.
Yeah, I appreciate you letting me have the night off.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, I won't dock your pay, dear.
Yeah, it was in the contract. We had to give you one day.
Can you try and make it next Monday?
No. Oh yeah. Well, actually, no. That's our final meeting before the run.
Okay.
That's when we get down to the nitty gritty, all the info, no ifs, ands, or buts.
Yes, well, that's what we're trying to do here today also. We're reminding everybody that is a member of our organization that they have to have their number on it, otherwise we'll be more than happy to do it for them.
And please do show up at these final meetings. Geo's meeting on the north side on Monday, our final meeting a week from this Friday, because this Friday's
Good
day
Friday.
after,
It's
yeah,
gonna
Good
be a
Friday,
Good Friday.
whatever, yeah, right after, day after Thanksgiving, whatever you call it. We won't have a meeting that
How
day,
many
right?
meetings do you have after the run, dear?
We have one meeting after the run. It's the debriefing,
Okay.
and then you guys have one more meeting too,
Right.
which is also the
But
debriefing.
then we have
And election.
nomination meetings and we have a, you know,
The wrap-up meetings,
debriefing
everything we
and all that
discussed
kind of
was,
stuff too, yeah. But we'd like to get you on the show at least once here, so we can put a face to that voice, you know what I mean?
You know I'm your biggest fan. I'm like, twice a day.
Okay, thank you.
I wanted to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. We've got a lot of crazy activity going on and coming up, and I don't think anybody's going to sleep much in the next 2 weeks. But if I forget, happy Thanksgiving, and just
You too, don't work so hard.
you run.
Taking care of 17 people. What, are you picking up all the homeless in your area? What's going on there?
I got a big family.
You got
Very
a
good.
big family, okay. And the word must be out, you got to feed them, huh? Okay.
Well, they like a good meal once in a while.
I'm just kidding. McDonald's is open, isn't it?
I said they like a hey.
Good thing you people aren't, what do you call it, vegetarians. That's great.
You shortchanged me one business card. Bring it with you tomorrow night, please.
Say again?
You shortchanged me one business card.
Oh, okay, definitely. I got plenty of them. I got them all over the place because I'm so famous. Very good.
You're the famousest. We missed you tagging. We had a fantastic time.
I seen
we
that.
had a monumental turnout.
Yes,
It
you
was-
did.
yes, it was, thank you to everybody who showed up on both the north side and the south side. The turnouts were very good.
You did well.
And thank you to Hot Dog for
Definitely.
providing lunch for everyone. It was very well received and very appreciated.
Very, very good. You must shut off your phone, John, when you're on television.
Yes, that was the alarm to let us know we had 5 minutes left.
Oh, okay.
But just a reminder, the North Side has a walkthrough at the DeVry parking lot on Sunday.
I have everything on here right here. I want everybody to see that, okay? And if you're not a member of the parade, of the organization Toys for Tots motorcycle parade, you're more than welcome to come to any one of these things here to,
Absolutely.
can everybody see, can you see that? Are we missing anything there, Jill?
I don't have the show on.
Oh!
So you said we were looking good. You're lying then, huh?
Yeah, she just knows.
Okay. Not a problem. Yes, you have a North Side meeting the 27th,
The 27th, the final South Side meeting before the run.
and Monday, December 9th will be the debriefing.
Yes.
And I want everybody to understand what a debriefing is. And I'm going to do the best I can to maintain the spirit of what a debriefing meeting should be. I said that pretty good.
Very good, yeah. It's
It's-
better than the way you fumble our name.
Yeah, I know. That's all to be about our parade and how we can make it better next year, okay? It's not somebody to complain about everything, but to have constructive criticism, Gio, because you're going to have to run your side because I got to be here that night, all right?
But we also want to talk about the successes.
I understand it,
Absolutely.
but we want to debrief it and say what worked and what didn't work so we could change it and make it better next year. Exactly what you said, yeah.
It's already perfect.
And we'll do it on our side also. And of course, we're going to have plenty of bathrooms, right?
We're going to have plenty of who?
Bathrooms.
Oh, yes. And you will have your own private one. Comfort potty, I believe they call
Well,
it.
that's wonderful.
We will,
because,
excellent.
As you get older, that's right. As you get older, you need many more. I remember
Heated
one year they
golden.
had them like 3 miles away from the stage, and it was terrible.
It'll be pretty close. I think you'll be.
I was the guy hopping. That was me, hopping up to it, yeah. Because when it's cold and you're riding a bike and things happen. You know what I mean?
Just make sure you wear brand new black pants that day.
Yeah. And don't forget Crazy Joe's event.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, that's this Saturday, is it
Yes.
not?
Yes.
Waterworks and Lions is going to throw a party for us, too.
Good.
We have a little
I went to that thing on
band and
Saturday
fundraiser thing
with Joanne. Maybe raise some money there, I guess.
up on the north side. Very nice.
Yeah. You did well.
And isn't there a party, fundraising event at Landmark?
I am not made aware of that.
Oh, you know what? That's right. They're having a party the day of the run after the run's over.
Right, that's just the regular establishment trying to get people to go there. It's not really a fundraiser.
It's
Correct?
just an after-run party.
Right.
Many bars, by the way, for people who like to get out, many bars throughout the city will be.
Establishments.
Yes, many
We don't
establishments.
want to encourage drinking unless you're really
Yeah.
thirsty.
Many of the best hot chocolate stands in town will have parties after the parade. It's actually, become quite a phenomenon in Chicago. It's a big celebration all day long.
A lot of people will have food and also entertainment. I go to
Yes.
a place by my house that's been doing it for years. They do a real good job with it.
Parade day isn't no longer just about the motorcycles going up and down the road. People celebrate our collection of toys, but most of these places all have boxes in them, and they have parties. After the parade, it's a party all day long. And all over the city, all over the suburbs, there are many
I hear
locations.
gamblers. I hear gamblers at Pulaski and Lawrence. She cooks for 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some
Yeah,
people
but a lot of
cater,
them have
some
it.
people cook.
Some have pig roasts. Big parties all over. There'll be bands at many bars.
But I've been trying to get Jakey on this show for years. Maybe
It
you could
is
make
our
it.
day, and it'll be December 3rd this year.
And this is what we're going to do. This show and next shows are going to be all about our parade. After our parade, we'll talk about the great things that happened that day, and then we'll talk about how people of Chicagoland can either help us get rid of all the toys that we're going to collect that day.
Sylvia, would you come in here for a second? You got a pen?
No, she doesn't want to come in here. We got
No?
to. No, you can. I
We're
can.
gonna-
When
we-
they
we're
wave their
gonna-
hand, that
we're
means
gonna
no.
autograph this and present this to you.
Okay, we got to go pretty soon because look at the times. Boy, the time really goes by fast.
Yes,
doesn't it?
especially Gary. He didn't even give us a warning. How did we know?
No, I said wrap up. I seen that.
I think it's funny how you gave Gary the phones.
What do you mean?
He's running the phones and he's
How would you know that? You don't have the TV on.
Well, because Gary answered the phone.
Yes, but
Oh.
we go back and forth. I do the first half of the show, and Gary does the second half.
I do the phone sometimes too. We all take turns. Anyway, we gotta go, right? Is it time? Yes? Gio, have a wonderful evening. Have a very happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, you guys do the same.
Okay?
Happy
And
Thanksgiving to
don't
everybody.
eat too much, because then turkey makes you tired, because then you go to sleep.
Yeah, I need sleep.
Okay. I'll talk to you
Bye,
later,
guys.
dear. Thank you for calling. Bye-bye. Thank you,
God bless
everyone.
us all, everyone.
Good show. Thanks, guys.